Welcome back to Mujahid-Official 12. In this video, I will share you that how to convert your handwrite into just text. You can just type with your hand and it will just convert into text. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and in the search bar type Google Translator. And you can just type Google Translator from here. Hit the enter and it will just open Google Translator. Click on this Google Translator website. And from here, you can select your language. You can select your national language. For example, you can search in the languages menu. You can search for any kind of language. For example, you can search for this Spanish or whatever your national language. I am searching for Urdu. This is my national language. Because I live in Pakistan. And on the bottom you can see this arrow. Click on this and from here you can choose this keyboard, but in this case you have to choose this handwrite menu. And here it will just give you the whiteboard. You can type with your hand. For example, I am typing my name in my native language, Mujahid, and Urdu is my national language. And then you have to click once in this text cursor board. And on the bottom you will find these hints and just select any hints. I am choosing this one and it will just translate into the selected language. You can see this. It have just translated my name into English, Mujahid, and it is correct. You can choose another language in which you want to translate. You can search for any kind of language. For example, I am searching for Chinese and it will just convert into Chinese. And the interesting thing is, for example, now I am choosing Hindi. You can choose also another languages in which you want to translate, and you can choose the languages in which you want to type with your hand. And I am choosing Hindi. I'm searching for Hindi, and it just convert into Hindi. And that's how, my friend, you can just type with your hand. And it will just convert to text. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and share, my friend. I hope this video helps to you, and if it did, so make sure to give us a like and also may consider to subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell so that you, my friend, cannot miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorial. So until the next one, till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.